I'm Ashlyn.
I'm Zach.
And this is Sierra, and we're traveling A to Z.
This week we're in Leavenworth, Washington.
We are on our way to Leavenworth, Washington. We just left Oregon. It looks like it's gonna be a gorgeous day. We're excited. We've never been to Leavenworth, Washington. It's supposed to be a really cute German town, and we're gonna see what it has to offer. We made it to the cute little town of Leavenworth. There's a whole bunch of shops, super cute. So far all the shops we've been in are kind of like Christmas themed. There's a nutcracker, there's cuckoo clocks, there's gifts, a lot of fun.
Leavenworth is approximately 2 hours east of Seattle along US Highway 2 and is in the Cascade Mountains. It was originally founded in the late 1800s as a logging and railroad town, but over time the town's economy collapsed, and in the 1960s the locals decided to reinvent the town as a Bavarian alpine village to attract tourism. Today, it is a thriving tourist destination with millions of visitors each year.
I'm at the gazebo. This is kind of the main square. The Village of Lights occurs after Thanksgiving through the end of February, and it lights up the whole city, which will be really fun to experience and see. That happens, I guess, around 5 o'clock, but there's not like a specific time. We're after Christmas, so there's like very few people here, and a lot of the trees now have hearts for Valentine's Day versus just Christmas lights, so that's fun. And I'm near the gazebo, and that's where the sledding hill is for all the kids. Gingerbread Factory.
The Gingerbread Factory opened in 1988. As you walk in, the building itself looks like a gingerbread house, adding to the charm and making it a must-see while in Front Street. They have a lot of different signature items, including the gingerbread cookies, the German-style cookies, cinnamon rolls, scones, gourmet cookies, and pastries.
Ooh. Look at your chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah, we're gonna get one.
It's a dinosaur, sweetie. And an elephant.
Oh, yummy. Chocolate chip. Ooh, I got a ginger snap. They specialize in ginger snap. So good. Probably the best ginger snap cookie I've ever had. Just soft and chewy with a little crunch. Perfect. And Zach got a chocolate chip and he said it was really good too. Sierra's eating Cheerios because she didn't want a ginger snap. The Gingerbread Factory, the cookies were really good. I see why it's a really popular place to go. Definitely recommend it when you're here. Nutcracker Museum. Thousands of nutcrackers. Largest collection of nutcrackers in the world, 9,103. They have the Guinness World Record here. This is the Nutcracker Museum. It's really fun. You can't record in there, but they have over 9,000 nutcrackers. Every type you can imagine, every profession, every movie, every holiday. It's a really cool museum. It's $5 for adults to go visit. It's worth a little stop. It's fun. Leavenworth is such a cute little Bavarian or German town. Super cute. They have this street that's completely closed down to vehicles. You can just walk and see lots of little shops. They have a lot of German food. They have beer gardens. They have a sled area. And then during the winter, they light it all up.
We're now driving a little out of town to the Leavenworth Reindeer Farm.
We made it to Leavenworth Reindeer Farm. We're gonna go feed reindeer and touch them. We're super excited. Well, Mommy's excited. I think Sierra's going to be excited. She just doesn't know what's coming yet. This is about a 5-minute drive outside of the main drag of Leavenworth. Leavenworth Reindeer Farm. You do have to have reservations before coming, so make sure to book them online prior. Look at the camels.
See the winter camel?
Dromedary camels.
Camels. They've got to be cold. It's like 15 degrees right now, the poor camels.
There's a coffee shop called Blitz and Brews that sells hot chocolate, hot cider, coffee, and espresso, along with Scandinavian food that you could try. As you continue towards the reindeer, you walk through the historic barn that was built in 1907 and houses the largest reindeer-themed gift shop in the world, according to their website. During Christmas time, they also have visits with Santa.
Look at the horse. Say hi, horsey.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You look cozy.
Did you know reindeer antlers is the fastest growing living tissue on a mammal on the planet?
So we are going to Cupid's Corner, which is for kids 11 and under. If they're 3 and under, we have to carry the kid the whole time. So Sierra's gonna be getting a ride.
There was 9 original reindeer that came from Anchorage, Alaska in 2017. Now the herd has grown to 39, which we get to go and visit.
We're heading into the enclosure to feed and pet the reindeer. So in Cupid's Corner right now, we get to feed the baby reindeer.
We got a bunch of room behind me here. We have a bunch of room over by the rock, a bunch of room over there on the other side of the gate.
Hi.
Okay.
No.
Good job.
Good girl.
Hi. Oh, you're gonna eat my camera? What?
Good. Oh. Oh, your hand is so slobbery. Okay, keep it flat. There you go. Okay.
Hi. Oh, you're such a cute little reindeer. So soft. Their fur can withstand like negative 100 degrees Fahrenheit to keep them warm.
And their fur is like 4 inches thick. That's so crazy. Super soft.
They have 7,000 hairs per square inch, and they are hollow, which keeps them warmer and also helps them stay afloat. Their hooves work as paddles in the water and snowshoes on land.
How was feeding the reindeer? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like feeding the reindeer? We just finished the Leavenworth Reindeer experience. It was a lot of fun. You get about, I would say about a 10-minute informational video about the reindeer, and I learned some really interesting facts. And then you have 15 minutes feeding and touching the reindeer. The babies, you only got like one little cup a person. I think the adults too. So we were in a separate area, so I'm not sure what the adult reindeer got. But we got a cup to feed the reindeer, and then you could pet the backs, and then you got pictures. It was a lot of fun. I recommend checking it out when you're in Leavenworth. It's worth it. We are in Leavenworth, and we're gonna do a Leavenworth sleigh ride, being pulled by horses.
Are we gonna go on a sled? It's a sleigh ride.
We're on a sled. What do you think? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Are you looking at the horse? There's 4 different rows, and you reserve them by row, and you get the row per family. So we got row 1. Yay! Now we're moving, huh?
Are you going fast?
Fast. Wow. Going fast. Is he saying hi to you? Aw, is he a good boy? He's gonna say hi. We're currently doing the Leavenworth sleigh ride. It is a lot of fun. You do half the ride and then you get a cider break at a barn with a bathroom, and then you do the other half of the ride. They do not provide blankets, so if you want a blanket or something, make sure to bring it or dress really warm, which is what we did. It's really fun, and it's just magical. It's almost sunset, and so it's just kind of a little dust and a blue sky today. It's just a gorgeous day for a sleigh ride. This is a lot of fun, and the horses are really cute. Sierra loved them. Apple cider, pretty tasty.
Bye, horse.
Bye bye, horsey. We just finished the sleigh ride. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. They take you around the property. It's really pretty property. They do kind of like a figure 8 loop, and you end at the lodge where you started. It's about a 30-minute drive from Leavenworth. If you have a chance, check it out.
I had fun. I think Sierra had fun too. She really liked getting pulled behind the horses and looking at everything.
We're now heading back to the town of Leavenworth. Leavenworth's Village of Lights is open every day from around Thanksgiving through the end of February. There's more than 500,000 lights strung throughout the area of downtown. Leavenworth has been featured as one of the most festive Christmas destinations in the United States for its winter charm. Along with lights, depending on the day, you'll have live music, roaming carolers, visits from Santa, themed gingerbread house competitions, and much more.
So we're in the main square. You can see the winter carnival going on. It is February and there's hardly any people here. I guess after Thanksgiving and through December, it is super busy. This is the time of year to go because no one's here. It goes all the way through the end of February. They make it Valentine's Day, but by putting hearts in the trees for decoration.
On the east side of downtown, there's a mechanical clock that opens at set times that has figurines that emerge and perform a short musical animation.
Sierra really liked the dancers and the music.
Alright.
It'll open in another
It's all
hour.
done, sweetie. You don't have any control over it.
Yeah, it'll open later. Anders Keller. This is the German restaurant. We're at Anders Keller restaurant. It's a German restaurant, and Sierra's loving the music right now. That's like spatzel and chicken schnitzel, and a pork schnitzel and potatoes. We just ate at the German restaurant. Super yummy, great entertainment, and good German cake.
I hope you enjoyed exploring the cute little German town of Leavenworth, Washington with us. Please subscribe below to follow more of our adventures.